following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kendall, and LaSalle. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Timing, through 7 p.m. this evening. Winds, gusting to 55 to 65 miles per hour. Impacts. These strong winds after recent heavy rainfall may down trees and power lines, in addition to making travel in high-profile vehicles hazardous. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. At 4 p.m. at the Aurora Airport, rain was falling. The temperature was 69 degrees. The dew point was 66. And the relative humidity was 90%. The wind was west, at 26 miles an hour, gusting to 54. The pressure was 29.9.